Yes, I'm back again. I did the other engine. You can see it in the movie before this one. Now I'm going to clean this engine. And maybe we see some difference between those engines, because those weather jackets are not coming out here. The other one are loose, so you can take them out, but this one is not going to be. So it gives a little bit a problem. I also remove the gasket, the old gaskets on this engine. It's not sharp enough. It's a normal grinding stone for this kind of tools. And then at the end lay it flat and only do that. And this one is turned black, so you know material is removed. And believe me, how sharper the tool is, the less damage you will make on the engine. How strange it sounds, but you can feel it right away when you use it. It will provide you a lot of fun. Don't stick in your hand, because that's not what I want. Use the thumb to guide it like that, and you can keep touch with the engine, keep it steady. I like to prefer to work on carpet or towels or a wooden shelf, not on the metal surface, because you will damage the paint and your engine. Oh, the paint feels great. It's painted it very well. I used 3 times or 3 days to try it out and use the other paint on top of them. So I use P60 to clean off the surfaces. There's gasket on the place I don't want to have it. So this area I want to have clean. This area is not very important. What I do look for is everything is flat. There is no existing gasket there. So the surface is clean, or coated it with a little bit of paint. The paint is not the issue, is not the problem. Old gaskets, that kind of stuff, that are problems. This engine is an older type because those pipes, water jackets, whatever you call them, those pipes are not getting out of the engine, and the newer ones you can pull them out, don't worry. So you can't grind off anything. What you have to do is then make sure it's flat, it's clean. I did that with sandblasting to make sure everything is on this area clean, and also there. You can't grind it away here, don't worry. The gasket will compressed a lot more on those places where there is too much paint. Don't worry about that. This area is also clean, there is no old gasket available there. So we go to the top surface, and that takes a little bit more work to clean it out. It's not good enough anymore. So I take a new one. Look. Oh no, it's painted it. I think I damaged a little bit there, but it's paint on it, so that was before that. Okay, don't worry. You can see there is a scratch, a dent. Yes, you can feel it, but it's not enough to have a problem with this. I don't do anything on that. The scratch is made by removing the pin here with plier. So no, it also is closed here. Don't worry about that. It's not a big deal. scratching the paint off. Look at there. You think Honda is perfect? No way. There is removed a lot of material. It's not a problem, but I can see something has happened here by the factory in Honda, by Honda in Japan. Also there you can see with the sanding paper what's happened on the surface. So that's now you know you're working within the tolerance of the engine and the gaskets that's fitted between them. Even after more grinding, it's still there. Don't worry about that. You don't have to be perfect to get it right. Yes, looks nice. You can also see it here. There is something happened with the material. Don't worry about that. It's fine. Let me show you something. I told you earlier on there are used different way of engines. They look the same, but I always spot little differences in those engines. Maybe I can show you. I have to turn that engine like that way. So I told you all the engines are the same. You think, but I've seen a lot of little difference. One of them is the oil holes or separator sleeves, they are not here. And also the top of the engine is changed here. There is a gap and there is not a gap here. So I already found two different between those engines. And also the special threads inside the engine, why they are there, I do not know. Somebody told me there should be a gear reverse on this engine. I don't believe that, but maybe they have thought of that and they have worked out those holes there for a little gear. Also this hole there, I do not know why, because the oil is coming back from the cylinder head, going down, dripping out of that oil, out that hole. But what I see is it's a perfect hole, it's finishing touch. So I think there should be an axle in it. And why? It's rounded off here. There is maybe place for a gear or a cock or something like that. And that, I think, should be possible for a reverse gear. Look. Now you can see those holes are threaded, not by mine. And also this hole there is perfectly round, and also the shape. So maybe there is something what I thought of making a reverse gear in this engine, but I don't believe the story, so I do not know. Okay, thanks for watching. Next video I will clean out with air pressure those holes and show you the things to prepare those engines for building up again. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. When you have questions, please email me. Thank you. Bye bye.